This is the end of Mozzie's leash. And if you can see, there's Mozzie outside, still connected. This is what he does after every walk. Mozzie, come on. If he doesn't want to come in, he just lays down and refuses to come in. Mozzie, come on. Treat. Treat. You want a treat? Come on, bud. Come on. Mozzie, come on. So, this is me pulling Mozzie. And that's him burying his head into the lawn, ignoring me. Mozzie, come on. Such an obedient dog. Mozzie!